喺2023年 RPP 呢份文件裏面，當中就提及新開辦來往馬鞍山市中心及深水埗嘅 286D， 途經77區、石門同埋沙田圍路直達長沙灣，而呢條線回程亦都途經富安，有助疏導 286C 繁忙時間嘅龐大客量。深水埗返馬鞍山一帶本身就係一個課題，286C 比 86C 貴咗1蚊嘅情況下，到底係咪真係快過 86C？ 新開嘅 286D 又同呢兩條線差幾遠呢？
There's a reason she's alone. You can't pin her down because no one needs her home and needs her around. She says there's beauty in the hills, drip in the sky. So don't be sad because I won't. It keeps me alive. To impress her, it's too damn hard.Stay loyal without going too far. If I see her again, promise I won't Impressing her is just so damn hard. I want her back and please don't go too far. If I see her again, promise I won't cry.Misses her like I do. I hope she's having fun, doing what she wants to, and send a postcard or two from the sights sometime. To impress her, it's just too damn hard, and I want her back, but she's